po yung taxi driver sa Davao. Sa kanya nagsimula.
Good morning!
Sa Malaysia po.
Tayo ang Galaxy Philippines!
Para mag-motor. Siya yung unang nakuha.
Are we learning? Are we good? That's good. You know, ladies and gentlemen, our speakers are simply the best. From our first speaker, our second speaker. That's why, especially right now, it's 12 noon. So I hope that you will bear with me for a few minutes to share a very important topic called the two mindsets. Because if you will not listen, maybe I will end in 3 hours. So first, I would like to thank Diamond Galaxy for giving me this opportunity to become one of your speakers. So it is really an honor, a pleasure to share my experience and my journey, especially that we have this building a real organization thing. So once again, let's give ourselves a big round of applause. I've been in Railway for 8 years already. But it seems like every month is a new month. Every week is a new week. Every day is a new day. We keep on learning. Solving one problem at a time. One challenge at a time. And why is that? Because, ladies and gentlemen, this is not a one-day effort. Success is not built in just one night. This is not a success overnight. In fact, we have prepared a lifetime. All of us prepared our lifetime. We went to school, we prepared many years for us to become successful in life. Right? So, now that we are here, ladies and gentlemen, I hope that everybody will hear the message because we prepared this event for you. You and I are all mind with bodies. Whatever our mind decides to become our reality. So it is very important that what we decide now must define what we are next 2 years, our next 3 years, our next 5 years. So to start with the topic of the two mindsets, let me go to the first.
Pegasus po.
The first mindset. Have a long-term thinking. Ladies and gentlemen, nobody who started Railway knows everything in Railway. All of us started learning step by step along the way. Nobody is an expert in Railway when they also started. And simply because of our experiences in life, we all set our limitations. Our vision is limited. And that limitation, ladies and gentlemen, is the reason why some people are faster, some people are slower to take action. Maybe because of the fears that we experience, the rejections, and that. In life, ladies and gentlemen, I also have my share of past with failures, rejections, and all of these things. But I choose to expand my thinking. Instead of settling on a day-to-day survival mode, I started to look into the future. So that is why when I started to engage in reading, I opened my mind, I emptied my cup, so that I can look further what are the possibilities of this amazing platform. True enough, ladies and gentlemen, I also have dreams. I want to buy a big house for my family. I want to buy cars. I want to bring them travel abroad, experience a good life. But one thing that I really want to get out first is debt. We are in so much debt that our decisions are limited. That the place that we are moving is so limited simply because there are so many people that I am in debt. So the first thing that I see when I started to expand my vision is that can this platform help me pay all my debts? So that was the first thing that I really want to know when I decided to join the Navy. Can it help me pay my debts? My mom, every day she tells me that we have a new demand letter from a lawyer, from the court, every day because of so many debts that we have. And I don't want that one day something will happen to my mom simply because of my failures, all my debts. So that's why I really decided to stop, cut this off, solve this issue in my life. So when I started to join the Navy, my first goal is to be debt-free. So, ladies and gentlemen, I can see a glimpse of hope when Raymond was sharing to me about these people in Greenway who are also in debt. They were able to change their life. It gives me hope. Greenway, ladies and gentlemen, has a lot of successful stories that you can gather strength. And because of that, I decided not to rely on my own thinking. I started to borrow the vision of other people who have more experience than me. I started to listen to my upline Raymond. And the first thing that he taught us is to learn to do the right way. I remember we had our first OPP when we paid our very own OPP. It was held in a hotel. It cost us 10,000 pesos. A single event. Ladies and gentlemen, 10,000 pesos is already a 1 month salary for a regular employee way back in 2016. So, without any doubt, I said, yes, we will do this. Why? Because I see hope that one day I will be debt-free. So we paid for that OPP. We started to bring people. Did anybody join? None. But did we stop? No. We do it again. Next time, same venue, Same, 10,000 pesos.
Ha?
So that 2 weeks alone is already 20,000. I said, wow, I could really do a lot of things with this 20,000.
Kuha
But
ka na ng...
Raymond said, bank into your business.
Ah,
So I do hope it be the second time. Bring more people. Nobody joined. Did we stop? No. We did it third time. We did it fourth time, fifth time, sixth time. And then people starts to join us. You need to have a long-term vision if you want to achieve something in life. Because if you only focus on your day-to-day, every day,
kahit na ganun lang.
which I often hear when people say, if I join Liway, when can I get my money back? If I join Liway, how much is my return on investment? They count a lot. But the truth, ladies and gentlemen, for you to have a successful future, stop being, stingy, counting every cost. Because what is important is you need to see what is ahead of you. And that is why, ladies and gentlemen, it is very important that we have our uplines. I am very thankful that we have our uplines. I'm very thankful for our Team Supreme, Pegasus 3, Mr. Raymond Tong, for giving us this opportunity. Expand our vision, ladies and gentlemen. And today, ladies and gentlemen, this is the same message that I want everyone to understand. You cannot experience the best life if you only see today. You need to see things ahead of you. How many people you want? How many people you want to see? How many people you believe? I remember the first time when we brought people to Manila, not for an event, but for a simple leader sharing. Jane and I chartered 30 people from Davao, Manila to attend the leader sharing here in Manila. Why? We don't count the cost. Because I believe my dreams worth more than that. We brought 30 people. We showed them. This is the way. And out of that 30 people, some of them are now team leads. Ladies and gentlemen, Liway is not a 1-year-old company. It's not even a 2-year-old company. In less than 3 years, we will be celebrating our 20th anniversary. So if you want to experience the best future in Liway, the best success in Liway, do not set up on your own vision. Use the vision of the company. Listen to the message, the vision of our Mr. Lincoln Home, telling us, look, if you work with us, we're going to do this, we're going to achieve this. And ladies and gentlemen, where can you find a company that is already invested so much for your success? Only here in Liway. That's why a lot of people say, how can I become successful in Liway? And I answered them, the company already invested so much in me. The company invested so much, we have the best training courses. We have the best MBO. We have the best system course training. We have the best events. And all you need to do is to follow. Let the way guide you. Use the vision of the company. 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. Way back in Dubai, Mr. Lim announced that we are going, they asked us to restart. And I'm very excited. Why? Because the first 8 years was just a warm-up. The first 8 years was just a warm-up. And you know what? Railway in the Philippines did over the last 8 years. It didn't just make one successful story. It made thousands and thousands of successful stories in the Philippines. And that is why I am excited. Why? Because Railway is going to do it again. Railway is going to do it again. I hope it's going to be you. I hope it's going to be you. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Never in my life that I've seen such amazing platform that can change a person's life, regardless of what is their background, what are their skills level. All you need to do is just to put yourselves, immerse yourself in this culture. Don't just stop when the going gets tough. When you meet your first rejection, the first prospect didn't come. Raymond set up a OPP for 30 people and only 3 came. Remember that? Only 3 came. And out of the 3, only 1 signed up with no money. Ladies and gentlemen, your future is out there. You just have to grab it. Ladies and gentlemen, to expand our vision further, we need to develop our skills. How to develop our skills? By solving challenges. Last July 3, the boss announced that we are going to have our leadership training seminar. But it's going to be by group. So Raymond and I were looking at each other and said that we're going to do the same thing we did in SMX last November. It was really tough. Sleepless nights, pressure, and all of that. But ladies and gentlemen, this event this afternoon is a testament that the moment we work together, anything is possible. All of the leaders gave their part, contribute their time, skills, everything to make this event successful. Once again, let's give our leaders a big round of applause. So, now is your part. Which part? To hear the message that this event is for you. This event can change your life. It's much same way with thousands of people who attended a leadership training center. I am a product of OPP. I am a product of a leadership training center. In this kind of events, you gain experience, you gain knowledge for you to solve challenges in the market. Do not run away from challenges. Do not run away from pressure, because it will make you strong. The more you grow stronger in the Riway, the more that you will raise your ranking. The people in front of us are the people who fought their way through the ranks, solved each and every problem. So no problem in the Riway that cannot be solved, because a lot of us already solved it. All you need to do is just to follow, learn, develop that long-term thinking. Ladies and gentlemen, the more you go higher in the Riway, the more you will see, attend different kinds of meetings. And the most important meeting in Riway is the top leaders meeting. I was able to attend several top leaders meetings. It's so powerful, ladies and gentlemen. That is where your vision will open. You will see what Riway is planning for the next 3 years, for the next 5 years, for the next 10 years. And one thing is that Riway celebrates achievements. Riway values its leaders, its people. That is why this coming September, Riway is going to treat all the Team Supreme to a Team Supreme night in Singapore. And I believe that we have a very wonderful video with that. Let's watch this. Ladies and gentlemen, despite your vision, see yourself in one of these events. When are you going to join Singapore? Isn't it fun? Isn't it exciting? Isn't it worth looking forward? You deserve to be in these events. We will welcome you. You just have to make the decision to be part of it. So ladies and gentlemen, the second mindset that I would like to share is 100% communication. Riway is a copy business. We copy people who are successful. We don't copy people who are not. Riway has already proven over the past 17 years that it can be done. But all of the problems that you encounter can be solved. All of the negativities that we encounter are just temporary. All the setbacks that we encounter are the challenges for us to become stronger. So what are I identified 3 things. There are so many things that we can use, but I identified this afternoon 3 things for us to duplicate. And the first thing is integrity. For me, Riway's integrity is undoubted.
Parang hindi na sumama si Senia, no?
Way back 2022, August, I received a call from our business development manager, JP. And he was asking me if do I still have stocks left in the office. And I said, no more. no more because I lost count. I lost count. I said, maybe no more. I said, bro, we are reviewing the records right now, and we found that you still have unclaimed stocks since 2017. That was 2022. I still have unclaimed stocks 5 years ago. We calls and JD asked, how do you want us to sell it? Do you want to get those stocks yourself? Or do you want us to ship the product to your residence? I said, yeah, why not ship it to me instead? So I thought it was only a few bottles, maybe 12 bottles, 14 bottles. Because I don't remember that I had not claimed stocks. But I was surprised when the shipment arrives. We counted a total of 190 bottles. And all of them are documented. Unclaimed bottles. Ladies and gentlemen, it takes a lot of integrity for this company to ship this much bottles. The bottles that I already forgot. In my experience, it's already done. Right? I even hear people says, my downline or my user didn't know that there's promo, so I just give her 7 and I get to keep the plus. Questionable integrity. When we want to restart and build a real organization, ladies and gentlemen, integrity must not be compromised. Leeway is showing us, look, for you to build a strong organization, for you to become successful in Leeway, you must have solid integrity. 100% duplication. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are not perfect. We made a lot of mistakes. But today, we can change. Today, we can start anew. Today, we can start to create a real organization. With integrity intact, the way we wants us. The way we is showing us. Such an amazing company. Let's give Leeway a big round of applause. The next thing that I would like to share, 100% duplication, is to be firm and steady. Let me share another story. Way back 2017, I have a downline.
Siya nga, siya yung pinakaunang Pilipino.
Who started to work with us.
Kakariward na yun, pagkakalang-tagal na yun.
Worked so hard, built this team. For 2 months, he was able to build a working team. But along the way, he was enticed to do money game.
Puro positive thinking ang iyong
It
mga...
was so bad that he has to leave the city.
Kahapon iniisip ko.
Go back to the city. Because a lot of people are already threatening him. So for many years, he's been hiding.
Di
For
ba?
many years.
Ay, pala tatay niya. Palaklakin niya. Para
2 years
mapapalagan niya.
ago, he gave me a call.
Wala.
He said,
Naisipan nga kung bakit kinukwento ko nga
Can I go back to
naisipan
Leeway?
niya kung bakit di niya lang
Why not?
isipin mo kayo doon
Your team is working.
magkano ang
Your account is still there.
10,000 or 10,000 lang.
I said, really?
Oh, kaya niya
But
pala.
I've been
Pinakausap
close for
natin
more
niya
than
sa
5 years already.
Sige nga.
And when he opened his account, to his surprise,
Naniniwala siya
his
sa
account is still
Oo,
intact.
naniniwala siya sa tayo niya pagkakalaki ng tatay niya. 5 years na sila.
Even if this person is out, three-way stands firm. Three-way is steady firm. When he opened his three-way wallet, he was shocked. Because he found over 800,000 pesos worth of RW in his account, untouched. What does that mean, ladies and gentlemen? Really is not checking your attendance. But Rima is saying, look, if you trust me, I will see to it that I will be here. I will remain steady until you make your success here in this company. Just like the way, ladies and gentlemen, we have to be firm. We have to be steady. Some people in our organizations may no longer be around. But we cannot just shoo them away. We have to remain hoping that one day they will come back. And when they come back, ladies and gentlemen, I hope that they don't see the same person. But they say a stronger person. A stronger leader. A leader that doesn't move even when others are already leaving. This person still remains solid and growing as a leader, achieving each and every goals set here in the evening. If we can do that, I tell you, we can create a real organization. The third thing, ladies and gentlemen, is something that not everyone is willing, but we have to embrace greatness. A lot of us are very comfortable in our comfort zones. I don't want to do OPP anymore. I don't want to do prospecting anymore. I already have my team. I'm already earning this. No, you cannot settle. Why? Because more and more people needs our help. More and more people are looking at us. You become an inspiration. Just like when we started to join Liwi, we look at our uplines as our inspiration. Today we are becoming the inspiration to the new generations. We cannot stop. Why? If we stop, then we are like dimming all the lights for them. We have to embrace greatness. And when we see greatness, it's not about chasing after money. It's not about making more money, but it's about inspiring people to achieve more. Investing in people. Putting others first. Helping others solve their bills until yours disappear. That is how we achieve greatness, ladies and gentlemen. Helping our people achieve what they want. We achieve everything we want. Ladies and gentlemen, this opportunity is something that I really cherish and I'm very proud to share to each and every one of you. As we are minds with a body, our decision creates our reality. I hope that after this seminar, we will make the right decision. And with that, let's give ourselves a big round of applause. Having that said, ladies and gentlemen, this is the time to start. For us to be great, we have to start. For you to become successful, you have to start. You have to get rid of those doubts. Get rid of those negativities. Because this afternoon is a chance for you and your family to have the best life in the new way. Good afternoon.